everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I always clap them hands. Okay, hey everyone, and welcome back. It's inevitable. Okay. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl J.Lynn with BasicToBeauty here on YouTube, and yes, that's right, I am back. Yay! Finally, after being gone for like a year and a half, I finally decided to start uploading again, and I know so many of you are excited about that. Yes, as I am as well. And I did want to kind of let you know in this video where I've been and kind of give you a heads up on what's been going on in my life these past few months. But that's not the main event for this video. The main event of this video is, of course, my delicious pumpkin steamer. This drink is incredible. It's seriously so good. It might even be better than the pumpkin cold foam at Starbucks, if you ask me. But you know what? Don't let my words persuade you. I would like for you to try this recipe yourself and let me know your thoughts. Is it better or is it mediocre? Of course, it can't be mediocre because I made it. Just kidding. I did not come up with a recipe. It is a family recipe that I used to make a lot with my grandma and my aunt when I lived with them back in the day. That is just such a delicious drink for the holidays. So I did want to share it with you guys because Halloween's coming up and Thanksgiving and Christmas, and it's just the perfect pumpkin seasonal festive drink. I did put a little timestamp down below for you guys if you're just wanting to click that and skip ahead of me gabbing about my life. That's totally fine. I understand not everybody needs to hear about my life, but for those of you that do want to hear the chit chat portion, then just keep watching. But either way, whatever you decide to do, make sure that you are watching the video until the end because I will be announcing a special little surprise just as a way to say thank you to you guys. So I hope you're excited to see that. You won't want to miss it, so just keep watching. Okay, so as far as where I've been in my life, well, let's see. I'm trying to make this short and sweet and to the point because nobody needs like a 30-minute video talking about where I've been in my life. But for starters, obviously, you guys can kind of see their little bottoms. These are my new little children. I know it's a really awkward view, but these are my two new babies. They are Siamese seal points. They are twins. They are boys. Their names are Frank and Charlie, and as of today, they are a little over 5.5 months. Probably when I upload this, they might be like 6 months, but that's okay. If you have been following me on Instagram, you know that you've seen these guys before, and you know that they've been a member of my life or of our family for a couple months now. And honestly, they are the sweetest little angels ever, especially right now, seeing that they're sleeping, because honestly, before the past hour that I've been trying to film this, they were going buck wild running around this bedroom, and it was driving me nuts. So I'm so glad that they finally decided to mellow out and sleep. But yes, these are my little angels, and I adopted them, I want to say, I think it was in June or July we got them. We adopted them from a lady off of Facebook, and we named them after the infamous show It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. And yes, if you have watched that show, then you know Danny DeVito's in it, and that's one of my husband's favorite actors, and he just loves him. So what more fitting names than to go with Frank and Charlie for these little guys, because it just suits them, you know what I mean? But aside from that, I also lost a member of my family. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you know back in September of last year, we did have to put my cat Blue down. He was the little Russian blue mix that you guys have seen on my channel in the past as well. That beautiful, beautiful little boy that had gray coat, and he had like white spots on him, and he looked like he was wearing boots, and he was just such a sweet little doll. But unfortunately, we did put him down after having him in my life for about 13.5 years. Oh, it was really, really sad. And if you haven't lost an animal or you are going through that right now, seriously, my heart goes out to you, and it was so hard. So I totally get how you feel, and I'm so sorry you had to deal with that, because it was really, really hard for both my husband and I to deal with, not only financially but both emotionally, and it was just really draining. And I hope I don't have to do that ever again, if not for a really long time. So I never thought that after we put Blue down we would ever get new pets again, just because it was just so emotionally draining to do that. And both my husband and I, we didn't ever think that we would want pets again. but obviously with quarantine happening and just being at home a lot, we thought we would like to adopt again because we just wanted to fill that hole that Blue left. Now, they didn't fill it completely, but they definitely added on to our lives, and they've been such a blessing and so much joy. They brought us so much joy as well. So you will be seeing more of them in my future videos. They are just so fun. They will also be making a presence more on my Instagram, so make sure that you are following me on Instagram to see them as well. Okay, so aside from that, let's talk about where else I've been. So one other thing that I decided to do earlier this year was I made it a goal for myself to finish decorating my apartment. Now, my husband and I, we have been in this apartment for almost, I think it was like a little over 4 years now, and I have never really like decorated this place. Like, I've never really put my stamp on it and like actually made it my own, and it was something that's always been in the back of my mind for a really long time to get it done, but obviously I make excuses, or I would choose to spend my money elsewhere, or I just kept saying, don't worry, I won't do it now, we'll just wait till we get a house. And I just kept putting it off and off over and over and over again. But unfortunately, with COVID happening and being at home a lot and just seeing that you couldn't do anything else but stay at home, I was like, you know what, today or this time it's gonna be it. I'm gonna actually make an effort, and I'm gonna decorate my apartment, and I'm gonna finally put my stamp on this place. And so I did. Now, obviously this room's been done. It's been done for like 2 years now, but you guys only see this portion. You don't see the rest of the house. And so obviously it was the rest of the house that I finished decorating. And yes, if you're listening at this far off and you're wondering, oh, okay, J.Lynn, does that mean we're gonna see a house tour soon or apartment tour? Yes, girl, you whiz. I will be filming a home video or home tour video, hopefully in the next, few months or so. We'll just see where it's at, because I am like at least 85 to 90% done with the decorating portion of it, but I do have some few minor touches that I want to add before I film. But yes, that will be coming to my channel soon, so make sure that you're subscribed to see that in the near future. And yeah, other than that, I think that's pretty much the two greatest things that have happened to me during this time. And so yeah, I think now that I've got all that out of the way, I have so many things that I had planned for you guys. Like, before I took my absence, I have like a closet full of DIY ideas that I've been holding and putting off for these past year and a half, that I was originally intending to film back then, but I will be doing that for this channel now. So I hope that's something that you're excited about. I haven't fully decided which direction I'm going to be taking my channel just yet, just because I'm still kind of having fun with different ideas. So you guys will have to let me know when I post videos what works for you and what doesn't. I don't know. I kind of want to keep doing decor videos. I kind of want to keep doing recipe videos. Maybe even do some advice videos. I'm not 100% sure. You guys would have to let me know what it is that you're into, or I'll just post whatever I want, and then you guys could just tell me if it floats your boat or not. But yeah, so obviously for my first video back, it won't always be like this, but I did just want to do like a little chit chat and kind of give you guys a heads up and let you know where I've been. And yeah, just to say thank you again to all of you that have followed me since the beginning or have followed me since I've been gone. You guys, none of your words have been uncounted for. I have literally read every single message, every single comment, and I've seen every single like that you guys have given me since I've been gone or even back in the day. And honestly, I am so grateful for each and every one of you, which brings me to the giveaway portion. Alright guys, so the first thing you will need to do to make this delicious drink is, of course, you will need to gather up your ingredients first. Now, what I like most about this drink is that it only consists of 6 main ingredients that, when mixed together, makes the most amazing festive drink for fall. You will need 4 cups of milk for this recipe. Now, I ended up using 1% milk in this video. However, you can use any milk of your choosing. You will also need a half a cup of brown sugar, 1/3 a cup of pure canned pumpkin, 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice seasoning, 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. I used my sister-in-law's homemade vanilla extract for this video,
but of course, store-bought extract works as well. And then lastly, of course, this is optional, but I always like to add some whipped cream, a dash of cinnamon, and a dash of nutmeg to add as a topping to my drink once this has been prepared. Then, using a medium-sized pan, you are going to mix all of the ingredients together just like so. Now, there really is no specific preference as to the order that you should mix the ingredients, but you will want to make sure that your stove is turned on to medium heat. And then once you have mixed all of the ingredients together, you will then take a whisk of your choosing and you will whisk the mixture consistently off and on for a minute, for about 3 to 5 minutes total, until you get the desired temperature. Then, of course, we pour. But first, can we just take a moment to admire this adorable mug? Oh my goodness, it is seriously so stinking cute and was only $16, I believe. I ordered it from a private seller on Etsy and I thought it was absolutely perfect for this video. I have also linked the store on Etsy in the description box below in case you are interested in getting one for yourself. And then last but most certainly not least, we top it off with some whipped cream, a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of nutmeg, and bam, your drink is complete. And let me tell you, this drink is absolutely phenomenal. Honestly, one of my favorite hot drinks of all time. So if you do end up giving this recipe a try and making one for yourself, please, please, please let me know your thoughts down in the comments below if you loved it or if you didn't like it or what your overall feel for the drink is, because it is one of my favorites, so I guarantee someone out there also will be loving this drink this time of year.
So it's not much, but it's a little something just to say thank you and I appreciate you and let you know from the bottom of my heart that you matter. And I'm just so excited that out of all these people, I almost spelled that, out of all this channel and out of all these channels and all this platform, you decide to take time out of your day to watch my videos, and it just means so much to me. So a little something for me to give back to you guys is, of course, I will be giving you guys one of the mugs that I showed you guys in the pumpkin steamer portion of this video. It is this super cute mug and it says "Talk Pumpkin Spice to Me." It's decaled on both sides and it's so, so cute. I do not have pumpkin steamer in it right now. I know if you're wondering, it's actually coffee and it's almost all gone because, like I said, I've been sitting with these boys trying to film for the last hour and a half. So it's been a long day, let's just say that. But you will be getting a mug and it's all wrapped up. I haven't even taken it out of the box since I received it, just because we're in that time and age where I just don't want you guys to feel grossed out or if I'm not being sanitary or anything like that. So don't worry, it's all packaged all neat and nicely in here, and you will get one of these, as well as you will be getting my favorite scent of all time. Just kidding, not of all time, but of the current season at Bath & Body Works, and it is the white pumpkin scented candle. And oh my gosh, look at how cute this little candle is. It's adorable. The little colors and everything, it's so cute, and it smells so good. Oh my goodness. If you haven't smelled it, I highly recommend it. It smells bomb.com. And if this scent is too strong for you, don't worry. I don't know if you were aware, but Bath & Body Works has an amazing exchange policy that all you have to do is just take the candle in and you can exchange it out for any other candle and they shouldn't give you any issues about it. So if you don't like this scent, you want a different one, that's fine. But this is my favorite scent, and honestly, I thought it was very fitting since I did a pumpkin steamer recipe. It's a white pumpkin candle. And all you have to do to enter my giveaway is, the rules are you must be 18 years of age or older, you must be living in the US, you have to like this video, make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, and you're also following me on Instagram at J.Lynn Constantino. So when you followed all 3 rules or you followed all 3 steps, all you have to do is you can either put a little comment on my channel down below. You can let me know that it was completed that way, or you can always leave me a comment on Instagram at J.Lynn Constantino and letting me know it was done. The winner will be chosen at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, October 25th. So that way you should hopefully get your order before Halloween and getting right into the holidays. So I hope you guys are excited to enter that giveaway. I'm sure excited to give back to you guys. And don't worry, like I mentioned, this is not my only giveaway. You know, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I like to do little giveaways all the time. And this is just a little something just to say thank you again. And it's a way to say welcome back. And if you're new here, hi, hello. It gets a little fun and crazy up in here. But if you've been following me for a while, also thank you for your constant, undying support. It means the world to me. I can't wait for you guys to see all the fun content that I have planned for my channel, and I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. Make sure, if you haven't done so already, that you like my video. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then make sure that you check out my other social media, which is Instagram at J.Lynn Constantino. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope I didn't bore you too much. I hope this was entertaining. It's so weird to actually be sitting down after a year and a half. It's like, I feel like I don't even know how to film anymore, but I hope that this video was entertaining and fun for you guys, and I can't wait to make many, many more for you guys in the future. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.